In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the deal disposition in Freshsales CRM. If you're looking to better manage your sales pipeline and ensure your CRM is accurately reflecting the status of your deals, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can easily make these changes. First, begin by navigating to freshsales.com. This is the home base for all your CRM activities, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the Freshsales dashboard, which offers a wealth of information and tools. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Freshsales, as understanding the interface will make the process much smoother. Next, look for the Deals section on your dashboard. This is where you can view all your current deals and their respective statuses. Clicking on Deals will bring up a list or board view depending on your settings, showcasing all the deals you are currently managing. If you're not seeing the deals immediately, double check your filters to ensure nothing is inadvertently hidden. Once you have your deals in view, you'll notice that Freshsales allows for a very intuitive way to change deal dispositions. Simply drag and drop the deals between different stages. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to quickly update the status of a deal by simply moving it to the next appropriate stage on your pipeline. It's a visual and efficient way to manage and track the progress of each deal. While dragging deals, be mindful of the current status and the next logical step in your sales process. It's essential to ensure that the changes you make reflect the actual progression of the deal. This step not only keeps your CRM updated, but also helps in maintaining accurate sales forecasts and reports. And that's it. With just a few clicks and drags, you've successfully changed the disposition of your deals in Freshsales CRM. Remember, keeping your CRM updated is crucial for tracking your sales efforts accurately and ensuring that you're always on top of your game. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling!